Define data science. Data science is a field that involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to gain insights and make informed decisions. It combines techniques from various disciplines such as statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful information from large datasets. What is an expert system? An expert system is a type of artificial intelligence (AI) software that emulates the decision-making ability of a human expert in a specific domain or field. It uses a knowledge base, which contains rules and facts, along with an inference engine to reason and provide recommendations or solutions to problems. Why is data so important? Data is important because it helps us understand the world better, make informed decisions, and solve problems efficiently. It allows us to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that can lead to valuable insights. With data, we can improve processes, innovate, and drive progress in various fields such as healthcare, education, business, and technology. Mention one way in which data science helps in e-commerce. One way in which data science helps in e-commerce is by enabling personalized recommendations for customers. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, e-commerce platforms can recommend products that are relevant to individual users, increasing the likelihood of purchase and enhancing the overall shopping experience. List any 3 career roles for data science. 3 career roles for data science include: A. Data scientist analyzes large datasets to extract insights and develop predictive models. B. Data analyst examines data to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that can inform business decisions. C. Machine learning engineer designs and develops machine learning algorithms and systems to automate processes and make predictions. How is a data scientist different from a data analyst? A data scientist and a data analyst have different roles and responsibilities. A data scientist is someone who is skilled in programming, statistics, and machine learning. They are responsible for collecting, cleaning, and analyzing large datasets to extract insights and build predictive models. Data scientists use advanced techniques like machine learning and deep learning to solve complex problems and make predictions. Data analyst, a data analyst, on the other hand, focuses on analyzing data to answer specific questions and solve business problems. They use statistical methods and visualization tools to interpret data and present findings to stakeholders. Data analysts work with structured data and are involved in tasks such as generating reports, creating dashboards, and identifying trends. Which technique of data science will you use when the segregation output is yes/no? Define it. The technique of data science used when the segregation output is yes/no is called binary classification. In binary classification, the goal is to categorize data into one of 2 classes, such as spam not spam, fraud not fraud, or positive negative. The algorithm learns from labeled examples to make predictions on new, unseen data. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is the process of analyzing text data to determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in the text. It involves classifying text as positive, negative, or neutral based on the opinions, attitudes, or emotions conveyed by the words used. Sentiment analysis is commonly used in social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and market research. What is the role of data analysts? The role of data analysts involves collecting and cleaning data from various sources, analyzing data using statistical methods and visualization tools, identifying trends, patterns, and insights in the data, generating reports and dashboards to communicate findings to stakeholders, providing data-driven recommendations to support decision-making, collaborating with other team members to solve business problems using data. Explain reinforcement learning. Answer. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. The agent receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties based on its actions, and its goal is to maximize the cumulative reward over time. Reinforcement learning is inspired by the way humans and animals learn from trial and error. It is used in various applications, such as game playing, robotics, and autonomous driving. What is a supervised technique? Answer. Supervised technique. A supervised technique in data science is a type of learning where the model is trained using labeled data. In other words, the algorithm learns from examples that are already tagged with the correct answer. It uses this labeled data to make predictions or classifications when new data is introduced. For example, if we have a dataset of emails labeled as spam or not spam, a supervised technique would learn from these labels to classify new emails as spam or not spam. Define clustering. Answer. Clustering is a technique in data science where data points are grouped together based on similarities. The goal of clustering is to find natural groupings in the data without knowing in advance what those groups might be. It helps in organizing large datasets into smaller, more manageable groups or clusters. For example, if we have a dataset of customer purchases, clustering can help identify groups of customers with similar purchasing behavior, which can be useful for targeted marketing strategies. What does data science help us to achieve? Data science helps us achieve several things, including making better decisions by analyzing large amounts of data. Data science helps businesses and organizations make informed decisions based on evidence and insights. Finding patterns and trends. Data science enables us to discover hidden patterns, correlations, and trends in data that may not be immediately obvious. Predicting outcomes. Using predictive analytics, data science can forecast future events or behaviors based on historical data. Improving efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and optimizing processes, data science helps improve efficiency and productivity. Define regression. Answer. Regression is a statistical technique used in data science to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It helps in understanding how the value of the dependent variable changes when one or more independent variables are varied. Regression is often used for prediction and forecasting tasks. For example, if we have data on house prices and factors like size, location, and age of the house, regression analysis can help predict the price of a house based on these factors. Explain any three components of data science. Components of data science. Data collection. This involves gathering relevant data from various sources, such as databases, websites, sensors, and more. Data collection ensures that we have the necessary information to analyze and derive insights from. Data analysis. Once the data is collected, it is analyzed using statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and visualization tools to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships within the data. This step helps in gaining valuable insights from the data. Data visualization. Data visualization involves presenting the analyzed data in visual formats such as charts, graphs, and dashboards. Visualization helps in communicating findings effectively and making complex data easier to understand for decision makers. Give few advantages of data science. Advantages of data science. Informed decision making. Data science helps businesses and individuals make informed decisions by analyzing data to uncover insights and patterns. Predictive analytics. It enables prediction of future trends and outcomes based on historical data, helping in planning and strategy formulation. Improved efficiency. Data science automates processes, reduces manual effort, and improves efficiency by identifying areas for optimization. Personalization. It enables personalized experiences for users by analyzing their preferences and behavior, leading to better customer satisfaction. Innovation. Data science drives innovation by uncovering new opportunities, optimizing existing processes, and developing new products or services. What is the role of data scientist and data mining engineer? Roles of data scientist and data mining engineer. Data scientist. A data scientist analyzes complex data sets to extract actionable insights and solve real-world problems. They use statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and programming skills to interpret data and communicate findings to stakeholders. Data mining engineer. A data mining engineer specializes in extracting valuable information from large datasets using various data mining techniques and algorithms. They design and implement data mining solutions to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships in the data. Name the algorithms used to answer the questions solved using data science. Some algorithms used in data science include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, neural networks. What is binary and multiclass classification? Binary and multiclass classification. Binary classification. In binary classification, the goal is to classify data into two distinct categories or classes. For example, predicting whether an email is spam or not spam. Multiclass classification. In multiclass classification, the goal is to classify data into more than two classes. For example, predicting the species of a flower based on its features, where there are multiple possible species. What is anomaly detection algorithm? Give few examples of questions solved using this question. Answer. Anomaly detection algorithm is used to identify rare events, outliers, or anomalies in a dataset that deviate significantly from the norm. Examples include detecting fraudulent transactions in banking, identifying unusual patterns in network traffic indicating a cyber attack, monitoring equipment sensors to detect abnormal behavior indicating potential failures.